What is up YouTube today? Today just a small thing I need to do. Today I do hand wheels for pulling the compound slider. Compound slider I just put on top here, but I did the hand wheels long times ago, but I never made the hand wheel easy. Just right now I just do a small ball of the metals I use for the hand wheels. So right now I got it. It's working. It's very good. So this is the second time. The first time I made the hand wheel for the carriage. Right now I will make the ball hand wheels for the compound slider. So right now I just cut a face like around, and I use I drill it. I use a drill it. The size I use only 0.6 millimeters. It's a small one, not the same. The first one I use, the bowl is bigger than the bowl is 0.8 millimeters. So right now I use this, but the front side here I use the drill 12 millimeters for keep the top of the bowl. So I drill. So this is not bad. I'm happy because I smooth, not smooth at all, but finally I need to smooth other thing. So this time I hope this one is working very good for me. Right now the shape same like the bottles, so I cut it that I take times about all together about 45 minutes to make this. But this is nice smooth with my homemade lace. Homemade lace. So right now I smooth it, and a small ball and I put on the wheel for moving compound slider. Compound slider. So I just smooth it and then I use a small motors and use a sandpaper and cut it and make a detail smooth much better than the lace, because I didn't have any mold how to make this, but I can do this. So I use the shirt and then polish and make nice and smooth. And then even the cut, I didn't have any tool cut, so I use um, motors, and then I use a saw cut. I cut it, but this one also is smooth. But I hope maybe I can get other tool for cut the metals uh, soon. It's well done. The ball hand wheels. It's working pretty good, and I feel so smooth than the first time it. And I just made the bowl hand wheel, but I need to make the wheel brown here much smooth and then a nicer. But this one I just show my my making the bowl for the pulling the compound slider. So this is pretty good. I like it so much. I hope you guys happy to watch my video channels right here, and please like and subscribe and share whatever you like it. Thank you very much.